Welcome to the Consulting Business Masterclass. My name is Leon Chaudhary, and in this video I would like to give you some information about me. Then in the next video I will show you step by step how you can introduce yourself to the course community. But first of all, again, my name is Leon Chaudhary. I'm a professional consultant and CEO and founder of the world's biggest online teaching agency called Teaching Hero. I'm currently 20 years old, I'm a 7-figure entrepreneur based in Berlin, and I didn't really start my career in consulting or business development or online marketing or any of the things that I'm doing right now. I actually started my career in the field of electron spin resonance spectroscopy, which is a field in physics. So I started my career at the age of 14 at the Free University of Berlin and became quite successful in that field, but thought, I don't want to do this for the rest of my life. I don't want to be in a lab or an office until I die. I want to do something that is more creative. I want to help people, and of course also I want to make some money. So at that time I won Germany's National Environmental Award and Germany's most prestigious science competition, but I was not happy and then I wanted to do something else. And very soon I started my first dropshipping business, built a business that generated 6 figures quickly, then built another businesses, and they then together generated 7 figures. And I was like, okay, now I know how to do things. Now I want to get these skills and I want to sell them to other people. So I thought the best thing I could do is become a consultant, and I became a consultant in online marketing. So I helped other companies to succeed and to find their way into the online world. Now, when you talk about, let's say, consulting, or when you talk about things such as online marketing, what you always need to think about is someone is an expert. And for me personally, I've now spent 6 or 7 years actually in online marketing. I've spent all of these years figuring out how to succeed in that space. And now I'm saying, all right, I want to give my knowledge to other people. I want to help other people to succeed as well. So my experience is definitely in the field of consulting, in the field of online marketing and business development, and also something like Shopify, because I use Shopify a lot in order to scale my businesses. Also, I'm very fond, let's say, with investments and portfolio management. So also I want to urge one more point, and that is, if you have any questions, you can message me at any given time. I'm always willing and I'm always happy to answer all of your questions. So first of all, where exactly can you send me a question? Well, the best place in my mind is the Udemy Q&A section. So when you go into the dashboard, which is a button in the right top corner, there's something called Q&A, and there you can ask me a question at any given time. Now, if you have a private question, you can send me, of course, that question via the Udemy messaging tool. So please don't hesitate. If there's anything you would like to know, I will be here for you to answer. And also, I give you my promise, I will try my best to answer you in the next 24 hours so that you can start and that you can really just build on what I'm teaching you. So for now, I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much for enrolling in this course. It's a true honor and a pleasure for me to have you in this course, and I hope you're going to have an amazing learning experience. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see each other in the next one.